Here's how to fix CS2 Unable to establish connection with game server. First, fully exit Steam by right-clicking it in your Hidden Icons tray and selecting Exit Steam. Open CMD as administrator and run the following commands in order: ipconfig/flush DNS, then netshay winsock reset, then netshay int IP reset, pressing enter after each one. Close the command prompt. Also, make sure any VPN you use is turned off, since VPNs frequently cause server connection failures in CS2. Reopen Steam, go to your library, right-click Counter-Strike 2, select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for this to complete and let Steam re-download any missing or corrupted files. Press Windows R, type %localappdata% and press Enter. Find the temp folder, open it, press Ctrl-A to select everything, right-click and delete. Skip any files in use when prompted by selecting Do this for all files to avoid repeated permission prompts. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.